students. I'm going to talk about DMIT. My name is Dr. Ritu. I'm a dermatologist and I take a fingerprint test all over India, and this test is done for 0 to 75 years of age group. This is a lifetime one biological guide which you'll get. By doing this test, you are going to understand n number of factors. So today I am just going to brief you about that. See, what happens is once we do this test, we'll get a report of 47 pages like this. I have done this test all over India. Around 47,000 plus reports I have covered. So this is about a life guide, like you'll understand what you are, what is your personality, what are your IQ, EQ, CQ, AQs, what are your strengths, what are your weakness. Along with the problem, you're going to get your solutions as well, like what is your problem, what is your question mark, and what is the answer for it, like what is your question and what is your answer, what is your problem, what is your solution. So I have done this report, and what my experience says is we get 98.5% approximation, we can say. Like this is a genuine test by which it is a simple biometry test in which we are going to take all the 10 fingerprints and we are going to code it, and then after encoding we get a written formula for your particular personality. So DMIT abbreviates to be Dermatographics Multiple Intelligence Test. So derma is your skin, graphic is a graph on your hand. You can see some graph is present on your hand, and on the footprint. You can see there are these graphs you can see only on your hands or as on your footprints. So your handprints are going to say your brain abilities, or you can say it is in a birth stage, that is when a baby is of 3 weeks. Brain and 10 fingerprints are growing at a stretch. Whatever is there in the brain comes on the fingers, and this brain is like a seed for each individual, which is going to unfold itself at a particular stage of the life. This is a law of Darwin, which says brain is like a seed and it unfolds itself at particular stage of life. You can see we can do running, we can do swimming, we can talk, we can do analytical activities, we can do creative activities, but you can see once we are born, we suddenly do not do all these activities at stretch. Like at a stage at the year of 1, we are starting with pronunciations, we are starting with speech therapy, then we are toddling, then we are moving, then we are standing, then we are like these stages go as per the mental age and the chronological age. Okay, mental age is the age wherein you are developing mentally, and the chronological age is your actual age. As per the year pass, as per the age goes, that is your chronological age. So now what happens, this fingerprint test, derma means skin, graphics means graph, multiple because one person is having n number of qualities, intelligence test we do. So how these are connected to the brain? You can ask me a question, why this fingerprint, you take a fingerprint and how can you generate this report? So everything, there is a connectivity. A tissue, when you fold it, forms a brain. It has frontal, prefrontal, parietal, temporal and occipital. So these are 5 lobes in the brain, like frontal, prefrontal, parietal, temporal and occipital. Each part has to do with your activities. Okay. So once this brain, if you divide into two halves, one is right part and one is left part, and you are well aware about it, like left part of your brain controls right part of your body, and right part of your brain controls left part of your body. So what happens is we have 2 different halves, and you will understand how is your brain working, or how is your brain functioning by this report as well. So let's I will make you understand how these fingerprints and brain lobes are connected. Little finger connects to your eyes and occipital lobe in your brain. Now you're conscious, you're understanding what I'm trying to say. If you go to sleep, you are into subconscious mind. You'll not understand what is happening or what I'm trying to say, but definitely if you put an alarm, you'll wake up. If someone comes and knocks, you'll wake up. Like you're into subconscious, but still your senses are active. Okay, but if you fall unconscious, you might have seen or you might have observed many of the people start pressing your little finger. Why? Because little finger, eyes and occipital lobe in the brain are connected, and whatever information about your vision, like you are goal oriented, you are visual, you think and do, or you act and do, or you do then you act, all these things comes on little finger. This finger goes to ears and temporal lobe in your brain. That means whatever your visual auditory activities are there, all the coding comes on this finger. Middle finger connects with parietal lobe in the brain, that is multitasking ability. At a one time you are doing n number of activities. This is for thinking. Now if you want somebody, they say think and do, and this is for execution. We say all the best. So in this way, all these 10 fingerprints are connecting to different parts, different lobes in the brain. Okay. So what you can understand by this test is, first thing is what is your IQ, EQ, CQ, AQ. That means how is your emotional quotient, creative quotient, adversity quotient, and CQ, creative quotient. IQ, CQ, AQ, and EQ. Okay. By these cues, you will make sure for yourself that you are going to go into for your business line, you are going to do for a service, you are going to choose a department of other activities. You will understand here. And then your right brain oriented or left brain oriented, that activities you will understand in this. Right brain and left brain, how they are functioning, that you will understand. Then there are n number of learning styles. Some people see and study, some people hear and study, some people write and study. We call it as audio, visual, and kinesthetic. Auditory is listening and studying. Visual is seeing and studying. Kinesthetic is writing and studying. That means some people it undergoes as we can say long-term memory and short-term memory. Some people when they see, it goes into long-term memory. Some people when they hear, it goes into long-term memory. So you will understand how is your long-term memory is being acquainting, like how it is acquiring. Do you need a tutor or do you not need do you don't need a tutor? And then what is a stream option? After 10th standard, most of the parents are confused. We all take the social opinions for a personal life, right? So this report will also tell you have to go for a science, you have to go for arts, or you have to go for commerce. It doesn't say like if you go into commerce, even if it is in science, then you're going to fail. It's not like that. It just says like what is your capability, wherein if you go, you'll be passionately rendering your particular interests, like, okay. And then you'll understand what is your career option. We do all these things. We do our schooling, we do our college, we do our graduation, we do post graduation, we do our MPhil, everything. We do everything just to make a career, right? So this report will also tell you what is your career, where you'll be successfully doing your activities. And after this, you will also understand what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your opportunity, what is your threat, what are the things that you need to implement to increase your strength, what are the things that you need to decrease so that your strengths are not being vanished. So this is how this fingerprint analysis will give you a complete biological guide for you, and these are activities which have come from within, like these are never going to change. And along with this, we have a number of subjects in school like science, social, English, maths, etc, etc. But what today's parents we are doing, we don't have time, so we just take up our kids and put into some tutors, or we give them some auditory kits, visual kits, so that they study. But this report will also tell you how you need to educate your children, how you need to make them self-independent, how to bloom up their activities. Everything you will get in this report. So I would like to suggest you all to undergo this wonderful activity of DMIT test, and once you do, I can assure you that this test is 98.5% your matching with your personality. So you can make this test from 0 to 75 years. Anyone who is interested, you can go through my website www.borntoachieve.in. You will understand what are the steps to do it offline and what are the steps to do it online as well. So recently we are setting our branches at Pune, Belgaum, Solapur, and a number of places. So those information will also be given in the website, and the report costs are also there. It depends upon the number of people who are undergoing, and this is a wonderful experience wherein you will understand what you are and what you can be. Knowing this, you can enrich your strengths, and you can also develop your weaknesses. So all the best. You can just contact me, and you can make your test. You can make your test done. So this is all what I wanted to talk about DMIT. Thank you one and all.